If 90% of your competitors is already in content creation, tsaka mo palang sisimulan, nahuli ka na. Na kung saan, pwede mo na siyang simulan ngayon. Maraming negosyante ang nagsasara ng business is because ang reason nila, nag-pandemic, karoon ng pagbabago yung rules ng government, etc. Sinisisi nila yung external factors kung bakit na-disrupt yung business nila, kung bakit bumagsak yung business nila. One thing na natutunan ko is you don't wait for external factors to disrupt your business. You disrupt your business. Maganda tinatakbo ng negosyo mo. What could take me out of business? What could take me out of business if I don't switch to content creation at the same time I'm doing live selling? Eventually, mawalan ako ng business. Gawin ko na to. It's gonna be disruptive. Yes, it is. Kasi ginagawa ko to, it's gonna be disruptive. And doon na papasok yun, how do you grow as a person? Now, how do I create the time so that tumatakbo tong business na to habang ginagawa ko tong bago na? How do I create that system so that my business run while I'll create another avenue, another future source? Kumaga, money now is the live selling, money future is the content creation. Pag hindi mo ginawa to, the question is, if you're always focusing on money now, you're always chasing the money. And darating sa panahon na manghihina din tayo or mapapagod na tayo. Kaya mahalaga is we're building the money future. Para pag dumating yung point na yon, na kung saan yung brand, it's one of the greatest leverage in business is a brand.